Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI for sentiment classification. This tool can help you determine the sentiment behind text data, whether it's positive, negative, or neutral. So let's dive in. First of all, go to the Perplexity AI website at perplexity.ai and sign up for an API key if you have not already. You can do it by simply signing up on the Perplexity AI platform and then select the settings icon on the bottom left corner. Now select API on the top right corner and select Docs. After that, select Get Started button, and here you can get the process of how to get an API key. This key will allow you to access Perplexity AI's sentiment classification features. Now set up your development environment by installing the necessary libraries and dependencies to interact with the Perplexity AI API. You can integrate the Perplexity AI API into your sentiment classification application by configuring it to handle text inputs and perform sentiment analysis. This involves setting up API endpoints and managing text data. Now prepare the text data you want to analyze. This could be customer reviews, social media posts, or any other textual content where you want to understand the sentiment. Now send the text data to the Perplexity AI API and receive sentiment classification results. Implement the necessary code to handle these results and display or use them as needed. Now test your sentiment classification system with various types of text to ensure accuracy and relevance. Fine-tune the system if needed to improve classification quality. Now monitor the performance of your sentiment classification system and gather user feedback to continuously refine and enhance its accuracy. Now deploy your sentiment classification system in your application or service, integrating it with other features and ensuring it meets your needs. And that's it. By following these steps, you can use Perplexity AI for effective sentiment classification, helping you gain valuable insights from your text data. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.